good afternoon, and it's great to be here with you guys today. And I want to be the first to congratulate you. Congratulate you on receiving an award from TMA Bucks on the most improved in seatbelt compliance here in Bucks County. Of all the high schools, your school moved from an 87% rate to a 92% rate. And we can say it's absolutely attributable to the video that you guys created. You should be proud of that. The fact that we want to present to the school and to you guys, and also a check for the program. You get a $500 award. Now, you guys were also selected to represent at the Teen Driver Safety Challenge. That you guys were, your video was selected to represent Bucks County in that competition, and you should be proud of that as well. You did an outstanding job.
Awesome.
Each of you should be video producers in the future, and more importantly, an advocate for safety. It was your work that motivated your peers to become compliant, and that's good stuff.
Yeah, thank you very much. It was really just kind of a fun video that we made, more to educate the people who weren't wearing seatbelts, but again, to kind of have fun with it and brings a little bit of school spirit back into the whole digital video production stuff that we do here at Quakertown.
That's great. That's good stuff. You should be proud of that. And not only do you do yourselves proud, but your school as well.
Yeah.
And this is the first time in the 8-year history of the program that Quakertown High School has been over 90% in compliance rate. That's good stuff.
That's very sweet. Thank you very much.
Again, congratulations, and we look forward to seeing how you've trained your underclassmen to carry this message forward for the years to come.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.